Hello, and welcome to week 6 of college algebra. Last week, what you were learning is how to multiply polynomials, and especially binomials in the last section of chapter 5. This week, what you will be learning is the reverse process. Once you have a quadratic expression or a quadratic formula, what you're going to be learning is how to factor it. So if you have a trinomial in 3 terms, you can factor it into 2 binomials. So this will be one of the main topics this week. You will also be learning how to find the greatest common factor of numeric and algebraic terms. You'll be learning how to factor by grouping, and you will be learning the FOIL method, or actually it's the reverse FOIL method for factoring trinomials. In addition, there are trinomial squares and differences of squares which have certain specific techniques for factoring. Finally, the topic which the rest of the chapter is leading into is how to solve a quadratic equation by factoring. There are other methods of solving quadratic equations, and you will be learning that in chapter 9, which is a quadratic formula. But in this section, you will be learning how to solve a quadratic equation by factoring. And also there will be some real-life problems using quadratic equations. In addition to this, I would like to suggest to you that if you are at all having difficulty in this course, that you watch the tutorials. There are tutorials for each chapter, usually about 4 to 5 tutorials. And for chapter 6, what you do is you go down to, first of all, click on the Lessons tab, scroll all the way down to Course Materials, and when you do that, you will see supplementary links. Supplementary links will lead you to a document which has URLs for each chapter. Each of those URLs represents a tutorial. So all you need to do is press the Control key and click on that tutorial, and it will bring up the website which has that tutorial. This is very useful because you can look at it over and over again until you really understand the topic. So please do so, and also make sure that you read the lecture notes. The lecture notes are the topics written in your Angel shell right before the written assignment. So good luck this week.